Raymond Parch III here, host of RP3 & Company, broadcasting live right here on the field inside the Mercedes-Benz Superdome. The Raging Cajuns open up the season with a tough but hard-fought 38-28 defeat to Mississippi State out of the SEC. Now remember, last year this was a lopsided affair, 56-10. Nick Fitzgerald accounted for 350 yards and 6 touchdowns as the Bulldogs ran up 607 yards of offense. Now, the Cajuns gave up more than 400 yards of offense today, but Tommy Stevens, even though he had flashes and was good, he was only held to 236 passing yards. Kylon Hill, the running back from Mississippi State, though, he went off for nearly 200 yards himself, 197. They struggled to be able to stop the run, especially early in the first half, the Cajuns did. But there were some positives taken away from this. They had early miscues. Levi Lewis, the first pass he threw, intercepted. But yet he rebounded and the team rebounded as the game progressed. Levi ended up actually completing 25 of 39 passes for 267 yards. He did have 2 picks, including one right there at the end. Did have 1 touchdown, and he also had a lost fumble as the Cajuns committed 5 turnovers. So what do we take away from this? Well, it was a better performance than it was last year against a similar team. Now, true, Mississippi State had 7 players suspended for this today's game due to a tutoring scandal. They also had a new quarterback breaking in, Tommy Stevens, the transfer from Penn State. And they had to replace, I want to say, 6 or 7 starters from last year's vaunted defensive team. But all that said, you can tell the strides the Raging Cajuns are making. They were able to run the ball effectively. They were able to push piles today, which they weren't able to do last year, and particularly against the Mississippi State game. So you can tell they're getting a little bit more physical there. They were able to run the ball, and Lewis had flashes. He needs to be more consistent, and Coach Billy Napier talked about that in the presser, that they were there. They were competing. They had a team from the SEC West on the ropes, but they couldn't just bring it home. And that's some execution. Not effort, not hard, execution. So, tough loss, but a good loss, if that makes any sense, as you begin the season against a team that you were predicted to lose by 19 to 19.5 points. You make it a 10-point game, and you almost scored at the end of the ball game as well. It would have cut into that lead even more so. So, great start to the season for the Raging Cajuns. A lot of positives, some things they have to clean up on. They have to get better at the run defense. They still gave up way too many yards. Levi Lewis has to be more consistent as well, and they just need to execute better. But if they can do that, they could get something special going for this season. Up next, obviously, home opener against Liberty at Cajun Field a week from today. I'm Raymond Parch III, host of RP3 & Company on 103.7 The Game. Until next time.